Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we show you how to make Thousand Island sauce, which is great for beef burgers, on your hot dogs, and even on french fries. The detailed ingredients are in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture. In this video I used red grape vinegar because that was all I had, but you can use white vinegar or your vinegar of choice and it would still be good. You can choose whichever brand of pickles to chop up, but I would definitely recommend this one right here. I don't know if it's namakin or namakin, but namakin baby pickles. I love it and I always have it available. They're delicious munchies. Don't forget to taste at the end after you're done mixing it very well and see what ingredient you might be lacking or missing or feel you want a little bit of more taste from. And there you have it. That was easy, wasn't it? And it only took seconds to make. So you don't need to buy any from the store anymore that are readily mixed. Enjoy, and if you did like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.